So hi friends, so one of the important updates coming forward related to Accenture hiring. So now students are getting the congrats mail. So congrats mail has been out. So in this video I will cover complete detail related to the next process about the workday mail and BGB process and all things. So make sure to go this video completely. Okay, so let me tell you, share you the update related to that. So you can see these are the screenshot of the candidates getting the mail. Congratulations, you are the step closer to the part of the Accenture family. Work at the heart of change. So, dear candidate, congratulations on successfully completing our interview process. And next step that is stay tuned for further update on our candidature. So, if you are getting this mail, then you have been selected after the interview, and you will be soon become part of journey. Okay, but before that, I want to make or I want to draw your attention related to BGB process. So, make sure to have all the important document with you. So, these are the document which I already made a video. You should have highest education document, and if you have some experience then you should have current company or relieving letter and other details. So you should have all those documents: pan card, 10 12 mark sheets, Aadhaar cards, and all documents should be there. Okay, now coming to next process, that some students are getting the BGB mail first and some students are getting the workday mail. So what is the difference between this? So friends, actually there is no any difference between that. If you have been or if you have received the workday mail or BGB mail, then you are selected for the Accenture. Okay, means you have cleared the interview and you will soon receive the LOI and further offer letter will be there. So if you have received the workday mail or BGB mail, then congrats and all the best for your future journey. So make sure to have all those documents ready so that you will not face any difficulty during the BGB or during the joining process. Okay, so whenever joining process will be out, I will make a dedicated video on that. So must comment here whether you got the mail or not and your date of interview so that other candidates will get idea. So this is the phase 2 hiring, and phase 3 hiring will be announced soon, means assessment will be out soon. So whenever update came, I will make a dedicated video on that. And congrats to all of them. So next process will be, or the means you will getting the LOI and further आपका जो है means account active हो जाएगा and you have to upload all those important documents. So this is just short updates, and friends, I have already started making a video related to the NQT hiring, that is related to coding questions. So coding playlist has already been launched, and today I have uploaded the first day series, and in this playlist I will cover all those repeated questions. So if you are targeting the NQT, they must go through this video. Almost 1000 students have already watched through our video, and keep preparing for the NQT hiring because this is gonna biggest hiring of the 2026 season, and soon other important hiring will be announced such as the Cognizant, Wipro, and other mass hiring will be announced. So whenever announcement will came, you will receive all important updates in this channel. So make sure to subscribe us so that you will not miss any update, and you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. If you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can also schedule with us, and that will basically boost your confidence for the real interview. So currently also the live interview is going on, and I have already shared you the experience related to that, and candidates are getting the good response. So must go through those all video, and कोई भी query है feel free to ask or comment here. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.